Hello, so this is a Canon Pixma printer and I'm going to be resolving this particular error code that is showing. So one of the cartridge indicator is blinking, and that means that one of the cartridges is having issue. So you can see the cartridge clearly. Let me move the printer a bit closer so that you can see one of the cartridge light is blinking, which means there's an issue with the cartridge. So the particular light that is blinking is the black cartridge, and the black cartridge is very important in the Pixma printer. So this is the cartridge I have bought to replace the old one with, because I assume that the cartridge inside is bad or is empty. That is why it is blinking. So if the cartridge is bad or the cartridge is empty, it will actually blink this way to show that something is wrong with the cartridge. So this is the old cartridge. Okay, this is the old cartridge, and I'm going to be replacing it with another one because I'm assuming that the cartridge is empty. So this particular printer is built to work with one cartridge. If you have only one cartridge working, that is the black cartridge. If the black cartridge is okay, it can actually work even when your color cartridge is not good. So this is what the pack looks like. It comes in two, the black and the color, but I'm going to be replacing the black because the black is what is indicating that light. So once you open it from the pack this way, then you just remove this cover that is covering the sensor, then gently just place it back. All you have to do to replace the cartridge is just push it in and press it in. Once you push it in and press it in, that is all. So I still have my color cartridge here, but I'm not going to be replacing it yet. So this is my color cartridge. So I'm not going to be replacing it yet, and it has a little manual inside, but like I said earlier, this is very easy to install. All you have to do is just remove the cartridge and fix in the other one, and it is fine. So for the color cartridge, I'm going to keep it aside for now, since what I need to do is just to replace the black cartridge alone. I can use the color cartridge later in future. So I'm running some tests on the printer now, and you can see it's working fine. The indicator light is no longer blinking, which means everything is fine now. So I'm going to run a couple of more tests just to be sure that everything is fine. So I'll just run some more tests on just to be sure that everything is fine. So I'm going to reset the paper guide properly. It's not set properly. So the paper guide is not properly set, so I'll just take my time and fix it properly. So I want to make a photocopy of the manual that came with the cartridge, just for test running purposes. So it's coming out fine. So that is it, folks. Thank you, and I'll see you some other time.